Hello. Hello. How's everyone doing? Yes, it's raining. Sorry about the rain, guys. Yeah, but it's always raining on these streets. Love them boots, boy. Cheer, brother. I'll just point our camera up for a bit. Sorry I'm late. Had to do a few things on the bag. But how's everyone doing? Oh god, here we go. True Moist Brother, subscribe to Twitch Prime. You didn't have to. And Crooney as well, subbing as well. Thank you very much. And Trash Death and Studimus. Thank you very much, guys. Once again, you don't have to sub. You can watch for free. It's all good. And what Gremlin as well. Oh, there's my rubber. Okay. Sorry it took long, guys. Sorting these things out. Gonna do a bit of mask action today. But I hope everyone's doing well. We'll just listen to the rain for now, mate. That's all good with you guys. Cheer, Bolter boy, how are you? You don't have to give bits, you can just comment normally. Well, you finished that piece now. On the last bit. You see that? Okay. Point this dude up. Gibraltar, that sounds like cool. Hey, brother. Cheer, brother D. How are you, brother? Cheer, Thunder. Can we get a shout out for Donny, please? Cheer, brother. No man. Hey, Welshie. It's Bits Boy. This guy. Ferry Demus and Krenos, thank you guys for the subs. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch for free. We'll just get straight into it, eh? We'll catch up as we go along. Gotta get a stream in for you, Fano. Man was late. Something is going. I can do. Work. What's his real name? It is Dede. Nah. What you making? Damn, first ban of the day. Shout out to that person. Loser in the end. Cheers for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. So I'm just gonna clean up this hand or this arm for our Ruru. Give it a bit of a bougie look. Oh jeez, everyone's here. Love from America. I hope you put all the awesome designs up on the shop somewhere. Oh, thanks Zodiac. I didn't understand is what? Cheers for the bits, man. You didn't have to. Sea King Alt GG as well. Oh, it's Vaname. So, cheer, brother. Thank you for last night. Really appreciate it, brother. Yo, can we get a shout out for Vaname Soul? Another amazing artist as well on Twitch. Be sure to go through and check him out. So he does art on Vans. And man, some dope art as well. If you're a bit of a weeb like me, then that's the place you need to be as well. It's just Toasty in my mod. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Hey! Cheer, Fanta. And Barnes, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Yeah, be sure to go through and check out Vaname Soul, and if we can get a shout out for him as well. Have you done Rengoku yet, brother? If you're still here. Hey, Maya. Favorite anime song, bro? There's so many, eh? So My Hero, obviously. Naruto, but I probably won't ever watch the entire series again. One Piece. I started watching Fire Force through lockdown. And, oh, here we go, Bolter Boy. Bolter Boy, you don't have to do that, eh? Demon Slayer as well. Are you restoring a carving or is that a new one? No, it's the one I've been doing for the last few weeks. What is the material you're carving? Wood, brother. Native timber to New Zealand. Or Aotearoa as I like to call it by its original name. Sure you got all the whānau on here? Yeah! Far we heard you going hard on Four Guys last night. We were having our wānanga. Rain is super relaxing. I have not, brother, but I see it coming. True, Vandermeer. Nice, brother. Smoggy, thanks for the sub. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Carving Marmite stream. I don't even like Marmite though. It's yuck. Day off with the man, the myth, the legend. Nice, brother. Just don't forget to have lunch on your day off, my man. So I'm just trying to smoothen out this arm here, just so it's not so rough and it makes it easier to draw on. Hey, JT. Started demo on my kitchen after work today, so this is a good carb stream to ease into my evening. Oh, nice, brother. What you doing with your kitchen, my bro? Message disease tip. It's worth it, Mr. Cork. Cheer, brother Smiggy. Hey, just remember, if you're new to the stream, you don't have to sub. I tried to print out some pamphlets to tell everyone, but there wasn't enough, so no one listened. But just remember, we have a special and intimate relationship, so losing you guys would be like losing a loved one. Yo, dumb Lisa, thanks for the sub, you didn't have to, and Juan Zim, appreciate it, guys. Just remember, you don't have to. You can just watch for free. Ash just rocks won't let you. What's that, bro? What's that, Kobe? Did I miss something? I'm just scrolling back to have a look. I'd love to do one for you, I just need a shoe size. Oh, nah, I just love watching you do your work, brother. Do them for just. He's been following you longer than I have, and I reckon. Oh, God, push the check already. And, yeah. Just for kicks has been following you longer than I have, brother, and I reckon he deserves a pair more than me. I just love watching you do your thing, brother. That's my favourite part. Can we get a big happy birthday for the brother Donny? Yeah. Chuck some happy birthdays in the chat for the brother Donny. Oh, Big Ram. Oh, is it subscriber only? Can we turn that off, please? Thank you. Happy birthday, Donny. Donny, I leave my stream on, YG. See, Yeah, I'll just clean this arm up and then we'll draw it up. Happy birthday, Donny! Brother, my mum and grandma have only 30% of your lungs if you don't need help. Can you put a link for passing their head? Well, I don't know how to approach that, Dragon X. Sorry, brother. I might just fall asleep to the stream. Oh, that's good. Just don't stay up too late. How old am I? I'm 28. My man. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask, even if it's about me, like my upbringing or whatever. I don't mind answering them. Hiding with the yeah, I'll try and go for as long as I can today. I'll probably have to go and get baby myself because it's raining. Because Mrs. Brox can't hold baby and an umbrella at the same time. Oh! Please stimmy me. Hey, Max Holloway. Hey, mahalo for the raid, brother. Thank you, brother, for the raid. Kia ora. Hello to everyone that's come through from the bro stream. Bro, I just realised the camera was pointing right here when I thought it was there. Ray Schwan, thanks for the sub, man. Didn't have to, you can just watch for free. Okay, to all the viewers that have come through from this stream. So, kia ora everyone, I'm a traditional Māori wood carver. So, this art form's been a part of the Māori people since, well, the beginning of time. And it tells the myths, stories and legends of our people. And it's a way it's a method and an art form we used to pass down our teachings in that as well, because we didn't have a written formal language. Tucker Fish, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to get those bits. You can just comment. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Damn the football champ. Brother, you don't have to give subs in. Holy crap. How am I doing, Restaurant? I'm good, bro. It's a bit late on the stream today, had to sort a few things out. But yeah, I'm dry. Got a roof over my head, so yeah, good. Yo, the football. Brother, oh, come on. Josh McChicken, you're the football champ, bro. Thanks for the gifted subs. You honestly didn't have to do that, though. Just remember, nothing's changed, eh? Like, look after your guys' selves first. Like, I mean, COVID's still out there. But thank you, brother. To anyone that received a gifted sub from the bro, say thank you. That's the best thing you can do when someone shows that kind of generosity. Usama09, thanks for the sub as well. You didn't have to, you can watch for free. And then Yosh McBloody Chicken. Oh, brother. Well, bro, thank you for your subs as well. Like what I said before, again, you don't have to. You can just watch for free. It's all good. Just come and chill. Just talk with us. Well, thank you, and yeah. Say thank you if you received a gifted sub as well. Chris Kane should be sleeping in Ireland, might fall asleep to the sounds of NZ rain. Hey, cheer, brother. Good gift. You're caught up on my hearing. Not at the moment. I'm good. I have no bills. I have a good job, so I'm good. And I wanted to show love to this very Keanu Reeves guy. You're breathtaking. How tall are you? Oh, I don't know. I don't really go out of my way to like measure myself. It's like, yeah, nah. So I'm carving in like a carport. Sometimes it gets cold, but nah, just carry on. You just carry on, no matter what it is. Sorry if I missed that blessed comment in the chat. Sorry if I missed his comment. Sorry, brother, if I did. Okay, back to drawing up this arm. We need to get him a studio. No, that's fine. You get you a studio. I'll be alright. I mean, you can buy me a pie. So I'm just doing our design. You missed a posture check. Oh shit, my bad. How long do these usually take? Well, it all depends on how much like time you put into it. I mean, if I did this off stream, like pretty much just knuckling down doing my own thing, and I can have this done in like a day, or well, 2 to 3 days with the entire thing. So yeah. So as I was explaining before to everyone that came through from Blessed stream. So our ancestors didn't really have a written formal language or text, so the way we passed down our myths, stories and legends was through song and dance, and face to face, so more of an oral culture as well, passing it on that way, and obviously through carving. And not till Captain Cook came along, and obviously bringing those resources changed through the ages. But that's pretty much the only good thing he bought, really. Bolter Boy, thanks for the bits as well. You didn't have to, brother. It's all good just to comment with nothing. Words is much better. Have a good day. Seems to be raining. Yeah, bro. This is why I got my gumboots on. But I wear them every day, so yeah. Yeah, imagine. Pretty much. Like, we have many different songs, haka, that talk about historic events. And ancestors as well. There's going to be a bit of a hard angle just because of that's in the way. But it's alright. You're a gift from God. Oh, I'm just my mum's child, I guess. How did this piece you finished off yesterday turn out? It's looking good. It's not even finished. Oh wait. Oh, how did the piece? Oh no, that piece ain't finished either. I just wanted to do a bit of this today. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. It's your happiness that matters most of all. And if he ever Potato Pudding. Love your stream. Keep up the good work. Yo, thanks, brother. You didn't have to resub, though. But appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. Can you carve Ricardo Milos? He doesn't sound Māori. I'm only a traditional Māori wood carver, bro. I only carve stuff that's within my culture. So I don't do D&D pieces. I don't carve the living. Because if you look at this type of carving, we only carve our ancestors in, obviously. They ain't here anymore. Yeah, pretty much, JT. Like, that happened to a lot of the native people. I mean, it still is today. Just wanted to say respect your work and culture. And Peel from Hunting Aotearoa is funny like you. Oh, thanks, Chef. Cam say? Man, nah, I reckon Peel's funnier than me. Check it up. Did you get the timer thing sorted, bro? Nah, bro, I didn't have any free time last night. Because it was my baby's birthday, so it's pretty much just chilling with her the whole time. Wanna visit my girlfriend? Oh, they'll open up eventually, man. As long as people stay home, man. Real name? Why? Maybe I want to be mysterious. They're gonna open up to Rarotonga soon. Oh, true. Yeah, I heard that's like the safest place to be because they don't have the virus. As if we clone Brox, then Brox defeats himself. Yeah. Brox Mysterio coming in with the 619. Okay. I might put on some tunes soon. If Bob Ross was a woodcarver. But I've been watching him for the last few days, eh? Now what you're gonna do is get some crimson, mix it with a bit of white, and then you get this luscious color. Sometimes no music is kind of relaxing. Oh, true. True thunder. Travis Good Ale. Thanks for the bits, man. You didn't have to, eh? Like, it's all good just to watch. No comment. With nothing. But thank you, brother. And also to Crimson. We're going to get a bit of crimson. Sometimes I like to do clouds. But yeah, I can't wait to try and paint it. It's gonna be funny. I just gotta find it. Brown afro. I don't want to do it without it. Then I feel like a fraud. Honouring a great man. Magenta? I think I buzz out when he like gets that scrapey thing. And then he so he usually gets blue, mixes it with black, and creates like the silhouette of the mountain, and then he gets the white, mixes it with baby blue and scrapes, and oh, snow mountain. Are you related to Nappy Walker? I had some whānau from your iwi called a Nappy. Probably, bro. It's kind of cool hearing about resurgence of culture, despite everything that happened. Touched on different types of mana. Oh, true, brother. Nice, bro. You should DM it to me so I can have a listen. Davis, the door guy. Love from Texas, bro. Hey, thank you, brother. Appreciate it, my man. You didn't have to, though. And Slick Fellow coming through with the sub. What does no ears mean? How do you say no ears in Māori? Kore, meaning no. Taringa, which translates to ear. Ears. Kore taringa. I was called that multiple times as a kid. Multiple times. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to know, where do I donate? Is there a website or a button that I can see? Thanks. Have a good one from Toronto, Canada. Sambiano. So I don't have a donation button yet. I haven't since I pretty much started. Reason being is because of the virus. That's pretty much the main reason why. Do I smoke marijuana? No, not really, bro. Hasn't really interested me. Nice, slick fella. So yeah, in terms of the donation button, I haven't had one since I started. So I'm slowly warming up to it. So I decided I might just turn it on for my birthday. That's a good enough reason, I guess. But then again, I still want people to think about themselves before they think about donating. Like, as long as you guys, the individual, is financially okay, because with the virus being out, I've seen a lot of families crumble, and individuals as well, because of what's happening. When's your birthday, brother? Next month, bro. 29. Ivan Delgado subscribed. Thank you, man. You didn't have to, though. It's all good watching for free. I would love to support you, your work, and your channel. You're the reason I'm having a donation button is so nice. Oh, thanks, brother. My birthday's next month too. True, Jenny. When's your one? Mine's on the 23rd. Cusp, baby. That's the closest I'll ever get to Michael Jordan, is my birthday. Oh god, here we go. Luge is single, and Jensen and Evasive. Oh, what a tier 3. Holy crap, brother. What'd you do that for? You're getting old. Getting beautiful. Nah, yeah. I love it though. Thank you guys for subbing. Once again, if you are new to the channel, it's all good just to watch for free. Sweet as. Well, thank you guys. So I gotta try and have as much kids as I can before I get old. Nah. Captain Calm dear? Shit, sorry brother. Big fan of Pokemon, love the title. J-Pod, man, I've been a fan of Pokemon since it came out here. Thanks for the sub, Captain. You didn't have to though. It's all good watching. Sea King and Woodbees. Thank you guys for the bits. Whatever you're making looks incredible. Great work, brother. Thanks, Woodbees. Was born on the exact same day as Avril Lavigne. Ooh. You're just a skater boy. One of my mates used to like Avril Lavigne's songs, and those were like his grinding songs on WoW. I was like, whatever gets you through the grind, brother, go hard. You're my hero, bro. Belps. No, bro. I'll try and be the best example I can for you, brother. I mean, I'm not perfect, but I'll try. So I'm just trying to do the design on the hand. Who's your favorite Pokemon, brother? Mine's Raichu. Ah, damn. Now here's the hard one. It depends. Are we going like through all the entire seasons or just one specific? Because I mean, I'm a Blastoise man myself. Everyone was out there chasing Charizard, I was the Blastoise man. Tiger Massive, cheers for streaming. Watch your stream with my 12-year-old. Shows how humble some people are. Thank you and wish you all the best from England. Hey, Tiger Massive. Thank you, brother. And hello to you and your child as well. All-time favorite Pokemon ever. Other than Blastoise. Ah, damn. Probably Raikou. Oh no, not Raikou. Entei. Entei. I've been a fan of Entei for a long time. He was the first legendary I caught on Silver. I like Squirtle, but not Blastoise. Oh, true. That's different. Just came back from Mahi Piririca Street. And always, man, it's cold, bro. Yeah, that's pretty cold, eh? Hi, Jinx NZ. Thanks for the sub, man. You didn't have to, though. But I appreciate it, brother. Do you have a special connection with your tools? Yeah, I mean, they're the ones that are pretty much enabling me to do what I'm doing. And they have been for a while. So, put it this way. I'm not trying to sound like an egg, but I would protect these more than a PC or a PlayStation. Like if I had to choose between my tools and the latest, say a $10,000 PC, I would choose my chisels. Every time. Does your tools have any names? No, not really. Mallet, chisel. Yeah, that's how much I yeah, I look after my tools. How do you store your tools? In a bag? Chisel bag? Yo, Icy Hydra. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. A man's tools are his livelihood. There it is. Empty space, human. Correct, brother. I mean, yeah, these ain't cheap either. And, these were gifted to me. Oh, so I went to a carving institute and they provide your chisels for you. If you graduate, you get to keep them. You got me howling Brox. Brox! Do you game? Yeah, brother. Not the best gamer though. But I do enjoy Fall Guys. I hope everyone else does too. Any tip to be more patient? Geez, I don't think I have any. I mean, just keep doing it. And so with me, I mean, I'm not one to rush. I never have been. I'm this guy. Like if we're going to a destination and people are in a hurry, I just say, kick back, we'll get there eventually. I need to buy Fall Guys. Oh, true. The weather is so soothing. Yeah, it's pretty good, eh? And has Ichigo hands unbundled. Thanks, Liara. Yeah, I haven't watched much Bleach, but I seen the brother Thunder Punch draw Ichigo. Okay, there we go. That's all of that done. Sorry I'm blocking the chat. I just want to clean this up a little bit. There we go. What would be a basic starter kit for carving? Flat chisels, that's what you'd want. Some rounds, and maybe a few V chisels. Depends on what you want to carve. Do I play Sea of Thieves? No, I don't even have it. That's their pirate game, eh? Theno2, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch, my G. Oh, damn. And Norbex. Oh, what bits? Jesus. Didn't have to, brother. Got any ones on Fall Guys? Yeah, in my heart. Nah, bro. It's a game that makes me yell and laugh so much, like, cause of the amount of fun I have. And bro, I haven't had that kind of feeling with a game in a long time. I was playing it late one night and just laughing hard out here and having a good old time. And Mrs. Brox comes in and, why the hell are you so loud? You're gonna wake the baby up. Oh, sorry. Just having fun. Good morning, is it raining? Yeah, Judos. Judson, yeah, brother. LaserXX, thanks for the sub, brother. He didn't have to, though. All good just watching, brother. If the new expansion comes out, you want to stream it? Yeah, of course. Ever played Overcooked? That's kind of like Fall Guy in the style. Oh, is it like a bootleg version? Okay, let's set this up. Tough tomato. Oosh, we got a bit of a earthbending tomato in the chat. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. Earthbending tomato. But what's everyone been up to anyway? I'm just looking for a chisel. If I can bloody find it. There you go. Does lady watch your streams? Yeah, of course. She's a mod as well, but she hardly she doesn't really message, she just watches. I taught her how to ban people that are being silly. Could you show us how to sharpen your tools? Yeah, I'm gonna go get a sharpening stone sometime this week. Might have a bit of a weekly feature called the Weekly Grind, where I just sit down and grind chisels. I can invest in a sharpening wheel, but because I work in a carport, I'd rather not. Vice Saucin, look, it's Le Bob. Thanks for the... Have you tried any other MMAs? Nah, J-Pun. Like any other MMO I play, I get bored of it straight away and want to go back to WoW. I'm revising for my final uni exam. Wish me luck, guys. Uzuma, good luck, man, and turn the stream off so you can focus on that. I mean, who studies and listens to a helicopter? Or a plane, really, but you know. Do you prefer PlayStation or Xbox? PlayStation. Hey, Lemmy Serenity. Hello. Do you play Assassin's Creed? Haven't played it in a while. Hello, Little John. Us sweating knowing we watch Brox on one monitor while studying on the other. Hey. Turn it off. You know how I get when people are studying and watching. Focus on your exam. Not me. Thanks, McKnight. You didn't have to do that, though. All good, just to comment. I remember one follower, he was studying while watching, and I told him to turn it off, and then like a week later he told us he passed. That was cool. Entire family was sick for like 2 weeks too, Fowline. Are you alright though? I heard it like pretty much mucks up your lungs for the rest of your life. Yeah, so that's what I've been told, so I'm just gonna come over here. Sorry guys, I'm blocking it. Just gotta get it from a certain angle. So this is pretty much only hands stream. The matters most of all, and if he, hydrate, and if he ever breaks your heart. Okay, we got a hydrate for the bro. It's carving your main profession. Oh. It's just what I love to do. Yeah, I would say. Yeah. I don't really call it a profession. Oh, jeez. Interfile. Try to sneak in with a 5, eh? Thanks, man. You didn't have to do that, though. Like, give subs, but appreciate it. And thank you very much. And I'll be there. Do you normally work in the carport or outside? Oh, whatever's accessible, eh? I wouldn't work inside because it gets messy. That's the reason. And, yeah. Killed another one. This is an apple. Yeah. But yeah, if I was ever to move and had a better shed, obviously I would carve in there. So we're just renting. I've been blessed. If I can share a little of that with others, all the better. No, Interfy. Thank you, man. This is a nice one. I'm just having an apple while I'm standing. Enjoy your apple. I'm almost done. Okay, I'll punch this down. It's not that hard, you just use your thumb and split it. Last Pokemon game I played. Probably, oh, I just kicked the camera. The Alolan one, Sun and Moon. But my favourites were blue and red and silver and gold. Those are my favourite ones. Don't get me wrong, the new generations are cool, but yeah. If I get a Switch, then I'll probably try and stream that too. But I'm not in a hurry to get one. I failed. Oh, true. Much love from Canberra. Hey, John Deadman. Cheer, brother. It's 3 AM for me, Brox. I really love your clips, at least. Oh, hey, Bjorn. Bjorn, that means beer, eh? If, let me know if I'm right. I think that means beer. And if he ever breaks your heart, my man, blue and red. Blue and red. Silver and gold. Yeah, Make Legends. Those were my favourites. I don't know, I think it's just because I like... Those just were the ones I played the most as a kid. And the sprites were better back then as well. Lion and Swedish beer. Oh, okay. Camping would be an awesome video. Yeah, but I'll do it, but I won't drink my own damn piss. I'd rather lick wet ground. Deadline yesterday. No, I'm just doing this. So it turns out I've got next week as well, but I'll probably try and finish it this week. It's just behind me. Tiny Moist, thanks for the sub. Didn't have to do. Followed you a couple weeks ago because I heard you need more of that in the West. Nom Noms. Nom Noms. Yeah, I remember that name. That's not a name you easily forget. Is it Māori wood carving? Yeah, but what it's actually called is whakairo. Straight in, I'm drinking your own piss. If you ever said that, I can go hard, bro. I'll just go and lick this wet tree. I mean, he's been here before. The Chistaneri. Even when he had like sea urchin and mussels and he goes, oh, this is disgusting. I was like, weak. Those are bloody lovely, mate. I can't find you on YouTube. You have one? Yeah, it should be in the... I think it's linked to the Twitch as well. If you just scroll down and have a little bit of a nosy. I was like, come on, bro. Muscles ain't even bad. Like, straight away, I went, oh, bro, this dude's weak. What are you carving out? So I'm just drawing in the design. Kina only good with fried bread. I've never been a fan of kina on bread at all. I just like eating it straight. Never been that type. I mean, I've tried it. It's all good, but I would much prefer it on its own. That's just my personal preference. Hey Harvey Banger, cheer brother. 4 a.m. in the morning and I'm dead. Yo, go never sleep, brother. Yo, the Wizard of Christchurch. Hey? I don't look nothing like him. What you mean? Mussels sound good right now, bro. So you get some butter, some real butter, melt it in a pan, and then get your mussels, put that in the pan, and add sweet chili sauce, bro. Thank me later. Nah. Vote for Biden. Have no idea who that is. Sorry, brother. You advertising some political votes in the channel, brother. Shit, that's new. Ah, come on. Stephen, Lil Bear. Ah, jeez. Stephen, brother. Stephen. What are you doing, Stephen? Stephen, brother, thank you very much for gifting subs, my bro. You did not have to, brother. At all. Like, you can just watch for free, brother. But, thank you, man. You didn't have to, though. Shit, that's a lot, bro. Holy shit. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. But once again, brother, you don't have to do that. Everyone that received that gifted sub, say thank you to the bro, eh? Sorry, I just think it will be a better angle hitting. But thank you very much, brother. Should we play some music, or he's all good with just listening to the rain? Let me know. Them two. Old Greek. Cool idea for a channel point redeem would be to lift some weights for a set and have it called Grand Chick. Oh, bro. When I have a room of my own, I'll add that, brother. Or even some deadlifts. I love deadlifts, brother. That's probably my favourite lift to do. Rain is good? Okay. Joseph Makia. Kia ora. Be koe. So I'm just adding our designs on. Just so we can cut them out. Obviously. Looks beautiful. Oh, thanks, man. Bro, looking like a nice Hone Taipa. Oh, looking like the next one. Oh, I'll never be the next Hone Taipa, bro. Ah, he was the carver. So I went to the same institute. He was the master carver of, brother. Love the sound of rain. Yeah. I have a better sleep when it's raining. Even if you have if you live in a tin shed with an open roof, that sounds mean as well. Oh, nice loser. Thank you, the bro. Okay, so the arm's done up. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this cord. Then put the charger in. And if he ever leaves you, Harmless Tube. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Able to do your art full time, like stream it and such. Yeah, so I'm doing this full time now, carving on Twitch. Brother, you'll read your Instagram DMs, yeah, but as I message 10 more coming. This copyright free rain sound. Imagine that they're getting DMCA'd for rain. I'll be like, bruh. Play lo-fi rain. Can't beat real rain though. Everyone wanted it, so probably won't change it. Fox's Avatar Firelord Brozai. Just, you can't copyright nature. I'll be like, mate, what do you mean? Would it be okay with you to teach us a haka? Yeah, I'll be keen to teach you. Cruise okay. Oh, here he is, Terminator. What music you listen to? Majority of the time off stream, it's usually like reggae, drill, R&B. I've only started listening to drill because of 1-4 and a few others. Lissy. Yeah, I love listening to Lissy. He's the man. And 1-4 as well. How do you come up with your designs? So they've all been passed down, brother. So I don't really come up with any designs. They've been passed down by our ancestors, and it's a matter of trying to make it flow within the particular piece that you're doing. And I think I chose the wrong chisel. This one is not doing what I like. Yeah, no. Leaves me 12-6. What does be an egg mean? So don't be a troll. It's an NZ too. So just don't be a dick in the chat, really. Otherwise you get banned. So it's been an egg, eh? This is the term we use here. We've come across a few since starting. Do you ever make mistakes in your work? Yeah, of course, all the time. That's cool. I'm in all kind of metal. I listen to hip-hop, classical, new retro wave, synth wave. Oh, true Terminator. I'm a fan of the old Pavarotti as well. When I carve sometimes. Taylor Time, thanks for subbing, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. Yeah, I always jam Pavarotti sometimes when I carve. He's the man. Que bella cuore. Can't even carve a roast properly. Cheers, chef. Have you heard Alien Weaponry? Yeah, man. Random Dan and Luis Eduardo. Thank you guys for the bits. You didn't have to though. Thank you, you two. Just yeah, make sure you look after your fellow selves first. And I see another one. Oh, jeez. Saliva. Thank you, Saliva, and Bensi, and D-Mac Isuzu. Yeah. And Bensi again. Thank you guys for the bits. You didn't have to. Thank you guys. Tough Yamato, thank you for being you. These complicated times, I'm very glad I got to catch stream. Didn't have to, but I wanted to. Oh, Tough Yamato, thanks you, man. You didn't have to though, brother. Sorry, I can't not say it, brother. I have to. I'll feel bad if I don't. Blastoise your favourite Pokemon? I mean, it's the one I chose. It's one of my favourites. I did the Pokemon test with my daughter when she was like a few months. When she could crawl. Boy, she disappointed me for the first time in her life. Nah, she chose Bulbasaur. I was like, what? What do you mean? Yeet. Chumua. Subscribing with Twitch Prime. Thank you, man. Didn't have to. Do you think Guy Williams is funny? I mean, Michael Campbell doesn't think he's funny, so no. Nah, he's pretty funny. Okay, I need to move it back a bit. Bro, a roast does sound pretty good right now, especially with this weather, eh? What about Mrs. Brooks? She doesn't like Pokemon. She's boring. I tried to make her play well. I mean, look at it this way. Baby's played well before Mrs. Brooks. I have a video of her on my phone mucking around on well. I prefer Registrar. Oh no. Yeah, in the video, when baby's crawling up to the Pokemon, she looks at them, like looks down the line, and then looks at Charmander, and then crawls for looks at Squirtle, sorry, and then crawls for Bulbasaur. I'm like, you had one job. It was funny though. Okay. Do you play Pokemon Go? I used to, not anymore. Just found it kind of boring now. It's like the same stuff over and over again. Play like Fortnite. Hold on guys, sorry it's a bit far away. Oh jeez. What class and spec do you play? You could have said that without the bits though. Been playing a few, so through the majority of BFA. So I only played like the first part of it, and then my partner's laptop stopped working. It's a really old laptop, eh? And yeah, I didn't play it right through until like towards where it is now with Nyalotha and all that. So I've been playing. I was playing my warrior, so I mained warrior through Legion and monk on Horde. But ever since I got to know the bro Panda, I've been playing on the Alliance. Sadly, but I've been playing Shaman, Enhanced Shaman as well. Because I'm not really a fan of like casters. I never have been, to be honest. But thanks for that, man. Thanks for the question. Didn't have to give bits though. Andy Y and Brogan. Thank you guys. Have you tried Pokemon Randomizer for PC? Yeah, bro, hard. I think everyone uses Marchamp's body, eh? Every current expansion. Yeah, I've done Heroic, Nyalotha. Haven't been above that though. That's next level. I haven't even tried. I don't even think I'm geared enough, eh? And I don't know the mechanics, so I probably won't. Because I don't want to be that guy and muck it up for everyone. Shaq 3 games, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to do. It's all good just to watch for free. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I into Zelda games, so the only one I played is Ocarina of Time. That was my favourite. Do you chop the trees down yourself? No, we don't chop the trees down at all, brother. Can we see the full carving soon? Oh yeah, I showed it before, but yeah, I can show it again. I don't mind. Favorite raid to do when it was current content? Jeez, I haven't even done much raids, eh? Because I was usually playing with by myself. I didn't really have anyone to play with. On well, favorite raid. That's actually a good question. No, I can't answer that, brother, because I haven't even done much raids. Put it this way, I haven't even done Desire Law. Scopey, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. ICC was my favourite. Oh, che. What kind of wood do you prefer working with? Any form of native timber, brother. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. There we go, much better. Sound like Korg. I've been told many times, brother. It's all good. You rode a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back. Oh. This weapon would be really effective against 3 vampires that are huddled together. Sneeze so hard my stream stopped working. Oh, my bad, brother. True, Matrix. And Degenerate Yasuo main. Oh, Degenerate Yasuo main. Oh, a Yasuo main. Hey, brother. Thanks for the sub, my man. You didn't have to though. Wish I knew how to play Yasuo properly though. Seems like a fun champion, but just the kind of player that plays that certain champion, eh? Talks. Favorite restaurant? No, anyone. How's the weather in your area? I'm pretty sure you can hear it, brother. I hope you can. It's pissing down, bro. It's raining. Okay, I'm just gonna move it back a bit. Just watch me work like that for a bit. So I'm just trying to do the designs where I couldn't reach because of the camera. It's all good though. What's everyone saying? This man is wearing rubber boots and is absolutely rocking it. Bro, these are the gum boots here in New Zealand, brother. Role you enjoy the most in raiding? I've only ever played DPS in healing, brother. I want to learn how to tank properly, eh? That's like one of my goals for Shadowlands, is get good at tanking. Healers I've played is only Mistweaver. Don't think I want to main Mistweaver through Shadowlands. It's hard to level as a healer. Snow, get any snow in your part of the world? Yeah, in certain places, brother. Bobby Boy, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to though, my bro. So I'm just cutting out the ore. Hold on. Oh shit, sorry. Just cutting out these lines for where, like in the front here. The smile makes me smile. Oh, that's good. Gives me so much anxiety. Yeah, same bonfire, but at the same time, yeah, I want to learn it, eh? It seems like pretty cool. One of the bros said he'll teach me how to brewmaster in raids, because that's one of my favourite tank specs to watch. I mean, I've played it, tank brewmaster, but only in early levels, and I eventually change because it gets quite hard. For me anyway. What favourite carving you've ever done? Pretty much all of them, bro. I don't really have one that I put above any other. I love them all. Don't have any of them, but yeah. Well, I got one, but yeah. That looks much better. So I'll show you guys what I've done soon. Oh, hold on. Alright, brother, gotta go. Got a rock march planned really early in the morning tomorrow, so I'm gonna go sleep. Happy to pull up the stream today. Cheers, Terminator. You have a good one, brother. Thanks for dropping in like always. And have a good sleep. My father's from New Zealand. I love everything about it. It's nice to see you spreading the culture this way. Keep up the great work. Thanks, Ginger. Cheers, brother. What's that one you do have first mahi or what, like this one? Oh, my first ever carvings are long gone, bro. Like I don't have any of them. I've been so I've got a few years under my belt in terms of carving. But yeah. So once I finish these designs here, then I'll bring it back closer, just so you can see what we've done. I just need to like maneuver around the parts where the camera usually sits, and I don't want to shoulder barge you guys. How long have I been carving for? The Lionheart? I started when I was 12, and I'm 28 now. Kia ora from Christchurch. Hey, kia ora, bud. How did I get into carving? So, this art form itself has been a big part of my culture since the beginning, really. And how did I get into it? My uncle introduced it to me at a young age, back in primary school. It was like one of those off-topic school subjects that we done every Friday. Good change to do, as opposed to your normal school subjects. And yeah, obviously in my situation, carving was one of them. And yeah, I gave it a go. Absolutely loved it, and been doing it ever since. And it's because of my uncle that I have to say thank you for exposing me to it. Because without him, I probably wouldn't even be doing it. Can't really imagine what life would be like without carving, really. I'll be different, I'll say that much. Be definitely different. Just doing this last bit. But yeah, in terms of this, oh, we've got a posture check. Just do this last bit. Yeah, I'd choose this over any high paying job. It's the only thing I really want to do, to be honest. Start work, Brooks. Good luck. Have the rest of the day, brother. Hey! Yosh McChicken, thanks, brother. You have a good day too. And stay safe at work, brother. Whew. Where do you get your inspiration? From my ancestors, brother. They were doing this long before I was born. Hydrate. Yep, I'll do that soon after this one. So there was a point in time in our history where I'll say this, colonizers were trying to make it illegal for us to do, trying to make it illegal to be us, like our teachings that our ancestors have passed down, like our language, which was the main one, trying to make it illegal for us, like beat it out of us, but obviously didn't work. Posture check. So yeah, and in my grandparents' era, or maybe even further back than that, if they got caught talking Māori at school, they would be caned just for speaking their own language in front of the entire school. Fellow Hydro homie. Cheer, brother. Yeah, that's just how it was in the old days. And yeah, not much we could do about it in those times, or not me anyway, but it has changed. Obviously with the times. But yeah, that's how it was back in the day. Hold on guys, I'm about to turn my back to this. I'll just push it forward a bit more so I don't, because that's rude. Everyone doing the egg test. So I'll just do this and then we should be good. There we go. So hard to carve in small areas there. But you get there eventually. I'm gonna head out, it's getting late over here. Cheer, Demon Lord Max. Cheer, brother. What did Himajin get? Mariota bro, I hope to catch you again. So listen to old ways and watch the magic come life as you tell till the next time. Matawa. Cheer, Matrix. No, me here to Whanau. What is your profile from? The movie called again? Lama, it's from a whale cinematic. It's our thing. I should change it just to a photo of myself. But I'll leave it there for now. I don't really plan on changing it yet. Get a quick drink, don't finish the entire thing while I'm gone. Trust me man, I'll wait. Okay, I'm just going to do this. So to anyone that's new, so this design is called Taratara Akai. So we do the notches first, and then we do them on the outside, just mirroring the ones that we've cut. And I'll just fix this up. There we go. I think this is the longest I've streamed without no music. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Damn Blastoise. When he's talking up close, it's like he's running now. What type of wood am I carving? So it's called Tōtara, brother. So it's one of the softest timbers we have in terms of carving native. But yeah, that's one of the nicest ones to carve. But then again, we have another one called Cody, which you can only find up north in the Cody Kingdom. That's a nice timber too, but it's a bit harder than Tōtara. But once again, still a good timber to carve. Always been the one to say the first goodbye. Had to lose and give 100,000,000 times. Had to get it right to know just what I like. Now I'm falling. Had to say my name but never before. Indecisive, but this time I know for sure. Had to get it right to know just what I like. Now I'm falling. You know you can get whatever you want from me. I don't want it, baby. Should've bought attention. I'm afraid of all the things you could do to me. Whatever you wanted, baby, I should've stayed at home. I was no better wrong. But when you take a look, I know the end Smart you. Thank you very much for the sub, man. Didn't have to. And Almir KC. I think I found my next prime sub bar. There's no need, man. Come on. It's not rockets and all, Whānau. Have you been down to Taupo? The Spa Thermal Park is awesome. I haven't seen it, heard of it though. Yeah, Rolton? Jeez, I hope I said that right. I came only for subscribe. Oh jeez, didn't have to though, bro. He's Blasto Shoes Rainbow. Yeah. I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. Do 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 do. To catch them is my real test. The training is my cause. Do do do. I would travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Catch 'em all. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Hell, I love this stream. Huge trick. Bro. Hard. Savitar. Gifted a sub. Oh, you didn't have to, man. And Tessie. And Mobus. And Cledo. For subbing. You still didn't have to, though. But thank you. Oh, Savitar with the bits as well. Jesus, my ears have been blessed. Sloth Silent. And Snot Rocket. Like, if I was ever to get into Grand Theft Auto RP, I'd like follow a player and like narrate what they're doing. Just for fun. Would be funny, I reckon. What do you guys think? Are you watching the Pokemon anime? At the moment, nah, brother. Nah. My daughter, actually, she gets into Bakugan. We watch it every morning and I'm like, what the hell is this? Twisted Sphinx, thanks for the sub as well, brother. Would be pretty funny, yeah, but I know if I do it, I'll probably get shanked. But if I get some laughs, then I don't mind. So if I ever get Grand Theft Auto RP, I think that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Bakugan used to be my shit. Some 5 it's hilarious. Oh, Chuparoi! Yeah, we were watching one this morning before I took it to school. So I usually watch, is it PJ Mask or Bakugan, and then it goes to PJ Mask. She likes, is it some dragon called Maximus? Oh, and what? He ain't no gladiator? My name is Gladiator.
How dare you turn your back to me?
My name is Maximus Decimus Moody. So the true King Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next. Maximus! Do a backflip. You do a backflip. Oh, so there's more than one Bakugan. Okay. Did not know that. Alright then. So I'm just gonna start prepping all these teeth. Get them popped out. Che bella cosa nai sole, molto sole, you me, o sole mio, stan fraggiate, o sole. The older one was when I grew up, but the new one isn't bad either. She's got good taste. Okay. We've been watching One Piece on Netflix too. If it's not One Piece, it's oh, I'm just glad she's given Frozen the flicky. She's over it. I was like, yes! She swapped it out for cars. I don't mind cars. A ka-chow! Where do you get your wood from? There's a wood recycling place here, or otherwise people will contact me saying they have a tree that has fallen on their property. And they've milled it and they have extra pieces of wood to give away.
You know what comes after before thunder? Lightning! Ka-chow!
She likes Maida and McQueen. She knows how to say that now. Maida? I was like, okay. Just on work call. Oh, you're all good. McNappity ka-chow. Hey, chill, brother. You didn't have to sub though, my man. It's all good. Can you make Charizard or Blastoise sculpture? I'm not that kind of carver, brother. I'm your bow. Boo. Thanks for the sub, man. Appreciate it. Didn't have to though. How many logs can you carry at once? I mean, it all depends on how big the logs are. Eh? 2? I know I did not, but I wanted to. Okay, man. I gotta say it just in case. Can we get a good chow in chat? Use the Power Rangers, Power Rangers one. Yeah, let's try and get all these things cut out. Sorry, chat. I'm just gonna focus on these for a bit here. Sorry. I know I like talking to you guys, but I'm trying to get some of these done. Heart so true, our courage can pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all. What's another one? So did anyone ever watch the anime Tiger Mask W? That was one of my favorites as well. Apart from the like main animes everyone watches. You like rain? Yeah. I've always been into the rain and the storms, eh? The power that's in charge. Our courage can pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. I broke a bit. No worries, I'll just drop that down and then we're good again. Saved. What was the anime called? Tiger Mask W. It's like, I know there's like an actual wrestler that the anime is based off. But yeah, it's one of my favorites. Not much people watch it. Shirohi Matomo Jaru Tomodachi ga sukiyaderu. And all good. And it's just Mrs. Brock's texting me, guys. Looks like I won't need to walk in the rain with an umbrella and carrying a heavy baby, even though I don't mind. You're my lady. You're my baby. He make the wood. No. Nature make the wood. It's been a long day, so I'm gonna head off to bed and checking my email for a reply. Chew JT. I'll reply to you soon, brother. Yeah, my email gets flooded like a lot, and it's working out what's spam and what's not. But I'll get back to you, brother. 5 head, mate. You're a fat head. Ooh, this rain, mate. Would you ever make a cricket bat? Nah, bro, because my ancestors never used cricket bats. So there's no need for me to make them. I mean, I could try and put Māori designs on them if I ever got one. Because my father-in-law, he's big on his softball. And like every family reunion, they have a game of softball. And he asked if I could like get a bat, but put designs all over it as a trophy and like put it in a case and whatnot. So there, that's just a little something. It's crazy that my country girl's wearing a mask. I mean, better safe than sorry, wearing a mask. These days, wearing a mask is like wearing undies. Good. This guy takes away my anxiety. Oh, that's good, man. I remember when my baby was born, and, like being a father for the first time, man, I used to get anxiety about a lot of things when it came to her. Because, you know, all you want to do is just protect your daughter, your child. But, yeah, it's gone now. Thank goodness. Wearing undies, non-existent. Hey, you get skid marks on your pants. Hey. Hope you're well. Cheers, Scoobers. Cheers, brother. How are you? How are you, brother? How you been? Bro, you know who streams I miss watching? Is Daquan. TSM Daquan and Hamlins. I wonder what happened to those guys. They were funny, man. I used to enjoy watching these streams. I miss them so much. Yeah, bro, I wonder what happened to them. I hope they're alright. Hey, Opal. Welcome, man. Cheer, I see Hydra. You have a good one. Yeah, Daquan was funny, man. Even Hamlins as well. Wonder what happened to them. Hopefully they're alright though. Come here, boy! That's what I remember from Daquan's stream. Come here, boy! Wash the chick. Watch the chick for the phone. Accurate. Personal matters. Oh, fair enough. Yeah. Hopefully they're alright though. You sounded just like them. Not as good at Fortnite as them though. Okay. Here we go, brother. I don't know if I can do a good Hamlin's impersonation though. Cereal Bites, thank you very much, brother, for gifting a sub. Didn't have to pay for respects today. Yeah, hard. It's like, yeah, Myth just carried on without them, which is sad to see, but oh well. As long as they're alright, that's the main thing, eh? Opal Overture. Oh man, he didn't have to, eh? Sub. If you're new to the stream, which I'm guessing you are, welcome. So my name's Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver with the native people to NZ. So with me, man, I didn't expect anyone to sub, brother. It's like look after yourself, which is the main thing for me. But thanks for the sub, brother. Just know for next time. Gonna scoot on over to watch Ludwig keep doing it. Oh, all good, man. Thanks for dropping in. Man, I need to get myself a good camera for me when I stream. Aside from Scotland. Hey, Scottish Reaper. Cheer, brother. Been intrigued by Tears of Flip. Oh, that's good, man. Thanks for watching. I mean, so in terms of streaming for myself, most of the time it's just the carve. But most of all it's for you guys, just so I can share. Just come chill with you guys too. So once I sort out the gaming side, we can all just chill and watch me do some grey screen simulators on some games. Oh, from England. Hey, cheer, brother. Stopping by to say hi. Andy the Fog. Hello, brother. I see so many Europeans in here go to bed. Yeah, I tell them to go to bed too, but nah, they just don't listen to me, so that's all good. They'll go to bed soon when they're ready. Go to bed. Yeah, I think once it hits like 11 for me, one of the bros, Otter, he's outside doing his garden, so it's like the morning. And I think majority of the time, well, everyone from EU is up late because it's so probably colder than the day. Astro Camel. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. It's all good just to watch. This helps me sleep. Oh, that's good. Oh, thanks, Flip. Yeah, we're getting there. So I'm just trying to, like, do all the notches one by one. Make sure they're cut out so it gives the middle ridge in the middle a bit more contrast, I would say. Yeah. If that's the word. And just on a little note as well, so I did an interview with Red Bull, and I think the video's almost ready. I'm nervous, eh? Just to see it, and for it to be seen by the entire world. What are you making? I just tuned in. So at the moment, brother, I'm just designing one of the figures on the top of this mask that I'm doing. So I'm just taking my time, just making sure I get all of them. Yeah, bro, Red Bull NZ. Oh, it was cool. They reached out and they asked. Oh, the first thing they said is hello. I mean, that was good already. We just want to share your story on what you've been through. Yeah, they were nice. And then met them in person and man, they're cool, eh? Red Bull NZ. In 4 and 5 Studios. Really welcoming team. And I think the thing I was most nervous about was hoping that they liked what I do and where I am. And I got a text saying that they enjoyed their time here. I was like, oh, that's good. That's a dub for me. Move over, Ninja. Nah. It was just a little video. Where are your wings? Chicken wings. Hey, I ate them. So I've got to look into these emails again today and do a few other things. Just gets hard trying to do like 10 things at once. Knows me. I'm a fan of me Wicked Wings, brother. From KFC. Okay, I'm just gonna butt all of these out, and then we'll have another break. Just let me know if you want some music on or background music. But if the rain's all good, then I don't mind. Either way, I'm just happy to be carving for you guys. How's your relationship with splinters? I mean, I don't even get any. Yeah, none at all. Just your skin gets hard over time on your hands. And if you do get one, you just rip it out and carry on. That's just all you have to do. I keep a little open, truly. Don't know what that is. Interesting comment. Rain in the voice is plenty. Oh, that's good. Bro gives the wood splinters. Hello Shadow and Apollo. Hello guys. Oh, you make me feel the closer I get. Dangle Snipe, thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you don't have to next time, brother. You can just watch for free. It's all good. Bro, has anyone else discovered Gordon Ramsay's TikTok? Man, it's good, eh? You gotta watch it. Just his reacts to food. Mind you, even his Twitter, man. It's gold. Oh, so long for this night I pray that a star would guide you my way. So shall we be this special day. There's a ribbon in the sky for our love. This is not a coincidence. And please, may I once again to show you to understand. There's a ribbon in the sky for our love. it is done. Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't for honeymoon. That's the infatuation phase. Romantic love. At times you get sick of her. Seems like we argue every day. It's finished. I know I must be paid when you make a mistake. We've all still got left to go. Although sometimes hurts, I still put you first. I won't make this thing last, but I think we should take it slow. Yeah, we finished it. Rascals Anchor and Jock Medcane Neven and Garrett Sewell. Jeez, I hope I said those names right. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. You didn't have to. So majority of the carving is done. All we have to do now is clean here. This is for me myself, so I want to clean here and on the sides as well. I mean, do we want to design the ears? Let me know. But I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. How's our ordinary people? Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Oh. Design it, okay? This time take it slow. Take it slow. Oh. So looks like we're going to carve the ears. Okay. This time take it slow. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna go and put this inside. I didn't know it was in the rain. This ain't no movie, no fairy tale conclusion, no. It's more confusing every day. So we're gonna do the ears now, since everyone's keen. It's not summer in India. Nah, man, we're in winter. It's winter, brother. It's more confusing every day. 9 slices of emu. Ooh. Hey, brother. 9 slices of emu. Is it illegal to eat emu in Aussie? I'm asking. But thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though, my bro. It's all good just to watch. Wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. The party emu. Hey, hold up. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. Do. It's summer for me. Pretty sure it's illegal to eat emu. Okay. It was just a curious question, I would say. by myself. Playing on a hoodoo band, all on a bayou, all on a bayou, all on a bayou, dun 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 dun. Canadian love to you, brother. Hey, maybe Muffin Man. Cheer him on, bro. It isn't illegal to eat emu. Okay. Oh, I was just curious from that guy's Twitch name. This was quite interesting. Oh, thanks, Dark King. I'm alright, man. Raining is in the work by Brox. Yeah, pretty much. Hey, Papa Bot Boot. Is he a father? Where's your comment, my brother? I'm gonna look back for that one. Anonymous. Yeah, Anonymous. Whoever you are, thank you. Where's your comment, brother? Any tips for a new father? First of all, congratulations, brother, on becoming a father. Any tips? I mean, I haven't been a father for long. What have I learnt? Just be patient and help your partner as much as you can, because she just brought a new life into this world. And so one thing you always do, bro. So if she does the dishes, you dry. Keep it 50-50. But other than that, man, just enjoy it, bro. That's the best advice I can give for someone. I haven't been a father for long, but what I have been enjoying as a father is just watching my daughter grow. It's pretty much a mini-me. Just enjoy it, brother. Make memories. Cherish the time with your family, because that's the most important thing, is spending time with your family as well. But congratulations to you, brother. Yeah, that would be my main advice, brothers. Just enjoy it, watch your child grow, and yeah, just be the best example you can for your kids. I can't tell you how to be as a dad, bro, because there's only one Brox in the world that carves and is a parent. And if times get hard, brother, just like take a breather, go outside maybe. Because there have been times where it's been hard for me. And you just go outside, collect yourself. Don't ever do it in front of your family or your baby. Yeah. But the main thing is, brother, just enjoy watching your beautiful child grow, brother. Oh, jeez. Big long man. Mr. Big Long Man. Now, if there are any other fathers in the chat, which I know there are, yeah, help the bro up. I mean, I'm not the only father here, brother. I know I'm not. Big Long Man, thank you very much for the subs, brother. You didn't have to, though. Like, straight up, but thanks, man. You didn't have to though, brother. So if you received the gifted sub from the bro, say thank you. It's free to say thank you. Yeah, there are some odd Twitch names out there. It's kind of funny. That is my most uttered words, but I'll keep saying it, man. Playing on the hoodoo land, born on a bayou, do do do, born on a bayou. There we go. Across the motu. Cheer, brother. Born on a bayou, do do do. Playing on a It's 31 here earlier. Oh, I'm guessing you're in the England, the UK? Macedonia. Resby and now churches. Oh, true. Already lost. What do you mean? Oh, guys. Far out, it's getting cold. I can see my steamy breath. I lost the name contest. Oh, you'll find out. Is that the like origins of your name? Okay, so everyone in the chat, let us know how you came up with your Twitch name. So the Discord is under socials, brother. Exclamation mark socials. Oh shit, we got a hair flick. Hair flick redeemed by Zay. Buffalo Bills fan. Oh yeah? Okay, let's get this hair flick in for the brother. Yes, the hair. Shit, I haven't even dried it properly too. I haven't even put my dry conditioner in. Flash, oh yes, Avatar, that's one of the many different forms, eh? Original EverQuest name, man, that's an old game, EverQuest. Okay. Is it? Is that a real redeem? Oh, it came up. Wait, is it? Well, my name, oh true. Got my name from too many puns. Kitty Belboss and 2% milk. Thank you guys. You still didn't have to though. Okay, let's get these in for the bro. Gus, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I'm Asian and I really like milk. Well, if it was, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's fake, isn't it? Doesn't have the bubble icon. Oh no, can we get a timeout for him then? 1,000 seconds will be. Giving you free content? No. Yeah, no, I wasn't. Oh well. Fox's hair flick is the original Sonic Boom. Rock's giving out freebies, yeah. All good, just time their follow up. Otherwise I'll do it. This guy getting free show. I'll do it myself. Oh. Oh, did I beat the mods to it? Yeah. East or Winston, subscribe. Thanks, brother. Didn't have to though, my bro. Come on, B-Roy, you know that won't work you. Got him, mate. He's giving out free hair flicks, mate. You better send me some bloody fine dining pies for that. Place under a do, do, do. Ziz and Spark, thank you guys for the bits. You didn't have to. You can just comment without them. Classical Potato, love your stream, super chill. Oh, thanks, brother. You could have said that without the bits though, my man. It's all good. But thank you. Marry me. Ask my partner, bro. She might drop you. Oh no, not might, she will. Majestic Life, hey man. Hello, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Rain and tapping till it's right. Cheer, brother. Hey, cheer, Black Bear. How are you, brother? What, did you think I wouldn't see that? Julie. Let me just do this. Simple as design. Easy. Hello from Uruguay. Hello, brother. It's really coming down. Yeah. It only just started this morning. That's all good though. The last few streams I've been having, there hasn't been much rain. There were some streams that it was sunny. Man, I was loving those ones. my mind, all in my mind. I'm singing the rain. What a glorious feeling. Have you seen Johnny P? I don't make mistakes, man. I make adjustments. But to answer your question, yeah, I make heaps all the time. It's easiest to fix them though. The only ones that will notice your little hiccups are the carvers. There haven't been the odd few that have noticed them. Yeah, I heard you. Give me a bloody throat. Jesus, almost made me drop my chisel. Sylvitas, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to though, it's all good just to watch. Have you seen TikTok? I mean, yeah, everyone's seen TikTok. I have one, I hardly use it though. I try to, but I mean, I've only done 3 videos. I try to use it, but I'm not good at it. Most of the time I just watch Pokemon booster pack cards being opened. Amador, thank you for the sub as well, brother. Didn't have to though. Thank you for doing this. I really miss NZ. I lived for a year in Opotiki. Oh, true, brother. Nice. I've ever heard of you. Thanks, Ethereum. Machamp TK. Hey, nice name, brother. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. You can just watch. For free. You know? I'm just gonna do this check, and I'll come back to you guys. Hey, holy cow. Crack Joker. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Is it hi Daniel? Hi Danielle. Is it Daniel? Danielle. I feel like it's Danielle. Hello Danielle. From Minnesota. Oh, we got a Timberwolf in the house. You watch anime, so what's your favorite? Have a great day. Tank Thomas, before I tell you some of my favorite animes, brother, you did not have to sub. You can watch for free. But thank you, brother. Favorite animes? So I would say My Hero Academia, Fire Force, and also Demon Slayer. Old school ones, obviously Dragon Ball Z, man. Can't go past Dragon Ball Z. And also One Piece. Oh, jeez. Cracked Joker. Thank you, bro. Didn't have to though. Jesus. Thank you for the gifted, brother. Now, if anyone received a gifted sub from Joker, please say thank you. Acknowledge his generosity. It's always good to do that. But thank you, brother. Just know, you don't have to, brother. It's all good, just watch. Yeah, I love Demon Slayer. Hey, that's such a good anime. Oh, come on, bro. I stood up at the right time. That's enough, brother. You've done enough. Thank you, brother. We get it. We get it. You're the man. But that's enough, please, brother. Thank you, though, brother. I really appreciate it. Please don't do anything while I'm looking away. I'm having subtle looks. Kinda hefty with you guys. It's always good to see people saying thank you for your gifted sub. I think that's the best thing about it. Okay, this one here almost done. Oh, just cut this out. We need a chat shoulder holder. Sorry, I was just checking what Mrs. Brooks said. Okay, this ear's almost done. And then pretty much after this, it's just cleaning little 1%ers. That's what I like to call them. How you sharpen your chisel? Oh no. Look who's here. Oh, it's Connor. Connor fucking McGregor. Hey Connor. How are you, Connor? Jesus, brother. Thank you, Connor. You know you didn't have to because you've done it before. Thank you, brother. Don't forget to say thank you if you got a sub from Connor. He's just like, boom, I'm here. I'm doing good, just got off work, how about you? Oh, come on man, what's your job? I'm good, brother, just some carving in the rain. Just the usual, haven't had music at all for the last few hours. Everyone just chilling, listening to the rain, and me just talking. So we're pretty much done with the masks, just doing these little bits here and there. So with this being finished, I need to go to town and get a little brush for our stain, or for our linseed. And then go and get some abalone shells cut out for the ice. I manage a small call center and trying to help keep them around. Oh, nice, brother. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Not this again. Connor, bro. Oh, why? Oh, bro, you don't have to do that, brother. You know this. You just finished work, buy yourself a can of beer or a tray of eggs or something. Oh yes, yeah, it's funny, mate. Thank you though, brother. Can we get some thank yous if you got a gifted sub from him, please? Oh my god. Connor is here! Okay, that's that ear done. Yeah, big man. Oh, we asked where you get your dedication from. My dedication to this art form just comes from, how do I say this? Just being grateful that my ancestors fought to keep our traditions alive, even though it was made illegal, and the carvers of the old days passing down the knowledge through the generations right up until now. That's where I get it from. It's because of that reason that I do this. Like, yeah, that's my why, that's my drive. And this is an art form that's, because I love my culture so much, this is something that I want to carry on and do the same by handing it down to the next generation from us, and sharing this art form and my culture on Twitch. I mean, this is what I have fun doing, is my carving from my people or my culture, and just sharing it, whether it be for young Māori people, that are, you know, thinking of getting into it, that may be interested in it, right up to you guys wanting to watch it. What are you talking about? Someone asked where I get my inspo from. Did you just join? Shit, crazy. Hello, classical potato. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to do that though, potato. Classical potato. Oh crap. Ran Miyaku, Andres Klar, and Bushi. Thank you guys for... Oh, come on, bro. Thank you guys for the subs, and then Epic Gamer, Thank you as well. You didn't have to though, brother. Steel Stitch. Thank you for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Do I have an online shop? No, brother. Everything goes through me. I'd rather do it like that instead. Don't need an online shop. Ooh, hold on. I thought this chisel was coming out. Well, thank you as well, Epic Gamer. You didn't have to though, brother. It's all good just to chill. But if you got a gifted sub from anyone, say thank you. What was your tea party? Oh, well, my daughter. Oh, how was it? Oh, it was cool. It's having a good time with my baby. Okay, with my pencil. We'll do the other one now. Work the treat, mate. Yeah, we just sorted it out this morning, but it seems to be going well. Oh, man. Brother Connor, thank you, bro. That's enough, please, brother. Jeez. Okay. That's done, so the ear's done. Just got one more to do. You're not my real dad! Okay, let me just do this other one up. And then we'll do a few of these 1%ers, since I don't have to like... Thank you once again, Connor. Once again, Connor. You didn't have to, brother, but thank you. So what I'm gonna do now, since I don't have to go and pick up baby, I've got a few of these to clean up. So it's just doing a few 1%ers here and there. Silky smooth today as far as I've seen. Oh, thanks so much. And bro, when you start doing your lessons for, is it Japanese? Bro, I'm keen when you teach the Izanaks. I'll be keen to jump in. Okay, I'm just gonna draw this in. Can the cam get a little closer? I can drop it down a bit. Yeah. When everyone's keen, I'm here. Cheers. Yep. Let's do this again now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up from Houston, Texas? Hey, cheer, brother. I must go. I'll be back with a lot more subs to give. Oh, just go and have a good afternoon, you. Thank you, brother Connor. You didn't have to, brother, but yeah, you go and enjoy your night, man. Go and kick back. Hope you had a good day at work, brother. But much love, my bro. If you leave, you'll be pained. Yeah, I will. Just, oh, in that case, lurk. Hardy from Eagle Mountain, Utah. Whoa, Cheers, brother. Damn. I'll only simp for Bronx. Cheers, brother. So, what is a simp? Is there like a... not trying to offend anyone, like a kiss ass? Is that what it is? I've seen this word everywhere, but I don't even know what it means. Like, what's a simp? It seems like a butchered version of shrimp. Pretty much. So is there like people that try and be white knights on Twitch? Submissive to women, especially sexual intention. Oh Jesus. Interesting. Oh, I just wanted to know what that word meant. I was like, huh, sounds like shrimp. Okay. Yep. That's done, that's done, that's done. Oh, Moonshine Puppy. Hey, bro, what's up, man? What's up for your little one? Hey, Moonshine Puppy. Sure, brother. They don't have to give those bits though, my bro, but thank you very much, brother. Oh, here we go. Bloody birds again. Oh, can hear a seagull. It's not a box stream without hearing one of these buggers. Are you from the North or South Island? I'm from the South. Oh, I live in the North Island, bro. Bloody hell. You know that's a just for kicks quote, eh? Because it's got caps locks. Cheers, Drix Waves. How's your day, my love? Cheers. Myths remain. My day's all good, man. I've got all this time now because I don't have to go and pick up my daughter, so I'm just gonna carry on. So we good? We are good. I'll even go and get me another apple. As long as they're not swooping magpies. Bro, where I'm from, there are like a lot of magpies, eh? And what we used to do as a game, wait for them to swoop down and hit them with our cricket bats, because they were that annoying. Maybe we don't do that anymore. It's 8 AM here. Oh, morning, man. Mohammed. Chew, Bigger Rabbit. You have a good one, brother. What is your favourite thing to eat? Probably sushi. Hey, chew, Juggy. Catch you later. First time watcher, but I'll definitely be back. Love the content. Yo, East or Western? Thanks, brother. You have a good one. Cheer Jiggy, how's your pieces going? I think tonight is your lucky night. I stop and stare at you, walking on the shore. God, I miss sushi. I'm going vegetarian for a month. Oh, true, brother. Good on you. I try to concentrate. My mind wants to explore. What's your WoW character? Like my one that I've made or my favorite one? Tropical dead of you picks me up above. Girl, when I look at you, oh, I fall in love. Oh, you're the only man who can love you like I can. You still alive? Yeah, bro. Still alive. Your favorite? Boxer bro. Peep the name. peep the Twitch name, brother. I want to be the one I love. Got only oh, got a cool Terran monk. Oh, quite a few cool Terrans up in here. Favorite pie, steak and cheese, brother. Steak and cheese. Do the cork so I can sleep in peace. You had a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back. Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off. Oh. It seems like you had a really special and intimate relationship, and losing it was like losing a loved one. Now this weapon would be perfect for 3 vampires that are huddled together. Yeah. Okay, now go to sleep, eh? It's another day, another dog. Come here, boy! Who can love you like I can? I want to be there. Duskin, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. You can watch for free. And Myth Showman, you have a good sleep, brother. Brook singing Poor Kari and equals instant sleep. Calling me Jigglypuff, bro. No. Oh, shite. That's the day, man. They've subbed for 2 months. Holy shit, brother. You didn't have to do that. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Finally got here. I thought you're finished by now. Oh, no, I get to stay on because my sister-in-law's picking the baby up today. I would have just got a vivid injury on his face after I sang Poor Cuddy. Oh man, always happy to support you. Oh, Mr. D man, thank you, brother. Just remember, you don't have to, brother. It's all good just to watch. Well, thank you, mate. Oh, that will never be enough. Do, 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 do. Okay. Get me a crate. Geez, we might even have a crate talk. Ugh. Can you see it all good? Let me know. I'll put it there. Alright. Now you see what we're doing? Man, this is a way better. What's the oldest wood you've carved? Oh. So there was this one tree dated back to around 8,000 years ago? Yeah. They told us how you can... Oh, baby's back. You can identify how old a tree is by counting the rings when you cut it. But I mean, who has time to do that, eh? Who really has time to count rings on a tree? Oh, you play for me, play for me. Get out and thinking me. You more invasion. My daughter's home. Seeing if she can see me. Ring counting stream. Bro, imagine that, eh? That would take long. And imagine losing count. Man, that'll trigger someone, eh? Matter how far away you are, we. So you calculate rings. Are those red bands? Yeah, bro. They most definitely are. Okay, let's try and get these ears done. Ooh. Going the wrong way. Oh, hey. I'm not just going to say hello to my baby. Hello. Oh. Huh? Go, Lolly. Hello. Sorry you can't be on the camera anymore. Okay, hello. Hello. Have you got your nails done?
Paint.
Oh, paint. Hello. Kiss. Mwah. I love you. You love me because you're smashing back that lolly. Did you have a good day? Just having a break. Yeah. You have a good day today? Okay, I think we gotta go inside now, eh?
Come on.
Hello, Sid. See ya. Love you, my baby. I took her straight inside and she said, "Ka-chow!" I was like, okay, we'll put towels on for you and I'll go back outside. What is the most difficult or most things in taking apart the car? Oh, and Mrs. Brooks told me to come back. Someone uploaded a video of their own. Someone uploaded a video of her on their own chin. Oh yeah. That's why I don't show her on stream anymore. Okay, looks like she's got some new words finally. Come back, or come here. Which is always good. Hello, bird. Hey, brother. Thanks for that, my bro. You didn't have to. Let's turn them around. So there's the spirals on the side. The ears that we're doing. Just going to move it back so I got room to cut the one on this side. And Mary Flapjacks. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. Let's just hope she leaves the computer alone, eh? Because it's still on. With the bit, the start and play button for the stream. Just thought about that now. Jeez. She knows not to play with it though. If she does, I'll go like rip. Just carving out these ears. It's looking quite on. Quite on so far. Okay, since it's quite brittle here, so there's a few cracks here, what you can do, get you some, oh bro, yo, Bobo, Bo. Holy shit, brother, you didn't have to do that, bro. Ooh. Well, thank you, brother, once again, appreciate it. Just remember, you don't have to next time. Just come and watch for free, brother. Well, thank you very much, man. And if anyone got a sub from Bobo, say thank you. Okay. Usually she likes watching the stream on the TV, but yeah, ever since Lightning McQueen came into the picture. Beauty, thanks for the subs, man. You didn't have to. 420, I had to. Oh, no, you didn't. Okay, let's do this. Say thank you. Thank you and good enough. So the way I have to end stream now is by walking inside and pushing stop on the PC. At the moment, yeah, I haven't tried it on my phone yet. Oh, I want to say that I love you. I will say thank you. Mum, mummy, mama, mum.
What?
Hi. Raining again? Yeah, brother. It's been raining pretty much majority of the stream. But, yeah, it's all good. Sweet as, brother. Because it's 23:30. All good, Bigger Rabbit. You have a good one, brother. Thanks for tuning in, my bro. Tell me that girl ain't right for me. Look my best when I look in the tray. Mommy, I'm strong to keep it. Oh, you play for me. There we go. Decided to give you a follow. Hey, G3. Cheer, brother. What's everyone pogging for? Oh, what? Oh, the dress. Oh, bro. Thank you, the dress. Bro, you didn't have to do that, eh? Well, thank you, brother. Oh, well. Don't know why, but thank you, man. Didn't have to, though. So I'll just... Thank you very much, brother. Oh, that's right, it's Tuesday. Guess who's on tonight? Thunder Punch. God tier rain sounds good. Yeah, I'm a fan of the rain, eh? Always enjoy listening to it. No, it will never, no, never be, no. So let's pump these up. So the ears are almost done. And then we can do a bit of cleaning on these brows, which is always good. It's always good. What time is it? It's like 3:30. Just after 3:30 here, brother. Man, it must be getting like really late or early for some people. Just remember, guys, you don't have to stay up too late. You can just go and have a sleep and watch again next time. Before player plays resurrected finale, Jonky make Matarikia public holiday for me. It won't cost much, no. Bring some poor hearts on free range pork bones and some power on Nicky. It's up to me. You can even bring Rodney in your... Oh crap. Hey man, I've got my level 4 results in 4 hours, so this is my good luck charm. Keep doing it, enjoying it. Hey, Venu Jane, good luck, man. I hope you get the results you want. Oh, I hope you do too, man, because you know, I love seeing everyone from the whānau or the community succeed. But man, thank you for the bits. You really didn't have to. But good luck, brother. What's this? Classical potato, because I didn't actually cheer for some reason. Oh, classical potato. Thank you, man. You didn't have to cheer though. This power is overwhelming. Chirohi
Matomo Janguru Tomo Akika Sukiyaderu. Okay. Just doing the last bits on these ears and they're pretty much done.
Love the work, bro. Thanks, brother. Thank you, my bro.
Plays her exit finale. Ooh, junkie make Matarikia public holidays. It won't cost much, no. Bring some puha.
Yo, that is Dunzo. Now, do some bush cleaning. Are you from India? Nope. And some power. It's up to you.
You can even bring right in your.
Okay, doing a bit of push cleaning here. So mainly in the corners. May not even need to use this. The great food. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. Appreciate it though, brother. Just know for next time you don't have to, brother. You can watch for free.
It won't cost much, no. Bring some puha, some free
Does the humidity outside affect the coloring? Yeah, I mean, as it heats up, like when the sun touches the wood, it's eventually going to split. So yeah, that's definitely a factor that comes into play. Dashing Buffalo, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to sub. It's all good just to watch for free, man. Hey.
Oh, kare ana la waiororua Fiti atu koe hine.
Hey, T. Coromando, kia ora, man. Hope the day's been good for you. Ah, yeah, it's been all good. Thank you, brother.
Marino alai e hine o ki maira ana pe ahu i te rokai.
Just looking forward to this.
E maroke I tera Ma kuputonu Ki aku roe matai E hine o ki maira e kore te aro e maroke Just wanted to drop in and say I love what you do and this community you built. Thanks, brother. Maku, hope you're well. Utoni, kia kuroe matai, Ugly boy red hooves. Thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to do that. Just comment, brother. Hoki maina kamateo. Who's been that guy? Can you raid my channel, please? I only raid those that don't ask for it, brother. Rip. Good, Mr. Brooks. Have a good one. Sure, gains. Gains. All kinds of gains. Kia kuroi mata e. Oh my god. It's lower. Oh, bloody hell. That's bad form, bro. Oh man, hey Loa. Hello Loa, how are you? Didn't have to, Loa. No, don't stop singing. Okay, I'll carry on. What you up to, Thunder? Where was I? Brock's for president, I'm not even kidding. I won't ever run for president because then I don't have enough time to play well. And I'm being serious. Oh, Times New Ram Ramen. Oh, all I saw was Ram. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to resub, man. All good just to come watch. Do you do requests? What do you mean? He maroke I tera maku tutonu kia kuroi matai. Hey, Linksy. Hello. Thanks for dropping in, Linksy. This is very relaxing, and thank you very much. How are you? Pumpkin and Canaris. Thank you, guys. When in Ram, does the Ram. You didn't have to sub. You can just watch for free. It's all good. And Hina, not the wig. Aloha from Hawaii. How are the stream? Hello, Hina. Thank you for the sub. You didn't have to, but I'm good. Okay, chat. Just to let our friend Hina know, how are you guys doing? Singing along and don't even know I learned to dodge you. I'm good, just chilling about. Oh, nice, Linksy. Thanks for dropping in and watching. We'll all have Rama on the brain. Thanks to Dominic. Kia kuroi matai e hine oki maina ka mate ahau I te arohai. Darian. Oh, he didn't have to give sub, brother. Thank you though, man. Appreciate it. Just know for next time you can just just watch for free. Every time I open my run slot, it pops into my head. No. Oh, come on. Oh, it's bowl again. Yo, Bobo, what are you doing, brother? Can just watch for free. But thank you though, brother. I appreciate it. Didn't have to. Okay, I'm gonna stand this guy up so you can see it. And then we'll do a bit of tire. Do a bit of tire. Or are we all good just doing some mask for the day? I don't mind either way. Yo, I'm in math class right now. Coopster, turn the stream off and do your maths. Focus on your schoolwork, because you'll probably get timed out if you keep watching. Focus on your education first, bro. That's something about the stream. That we always do. I'm not being an egg, bro, but yeah. Put your education first, brother. Make a smile on your face. Oh, bro. Thank you, brother. You don't have to, though. What was your favourite subject in school? Lunchtime. Nah, it was carving. Try our best. Yeah, brother. I'm off to bed. Thank you for sharing your work with us. It's incredibly entertaining and relaxing. Thanks. Have you seen Johnny P? Thank you very much. Journey. Hey, the deputy mayor. Kia ora, brother. How are you? Prism, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Journey long. Happiness on the street. Hold on. No, I thought I could hear my baby touching the computer. I just hope she doesn't touch it, because like the thing, there's like the play button, the stop stream, and then the live button, and then all this other stuff on the screen. I didn't think about that. Well, everyone, because it's really late here. Oh, it's all good. You have a good sleep. You have no idea how many times you've put me to sleep. Oh, true, brother. As long as you had a good sleep, that's all that matters. Sending love from Norway. We adore you over here. Oh, as long as you enjoy it, that's all that matters. Rompeteer, you have a good one too, brother. It's your happiness that matters most of all. Go check on it, bro. Yeah, I think I will, just in case. Just so it doesn't randomly end the stream. She was sitting on the chair too, Fanta. Chincha. For bits, thank you, Chincha. You didn't have to do that. Sound of rain is soothing. Yeah, it's good, eh? Yeah, hopefully she doesn't touch it. I mean, her mum's there watching her, but she's pretty fast too. Kei te pēhea koe, reawaken. Kia ora, kei te pai au I tēnei ahi ahi. Kei te pēhea koe. Fair enough, it's raining where I live as well. Yeah, man, she's a little button pusher. I just told Mrs. Brox, watch her please, make sure she doesn't end the stream, because she likes touching. Waira wai te parako, just stopping in to show you the love before heading out to the next week. Oh, tēnā koe te tepiri mea. Te wawatai tutuki pai ngā mahi roto I o hui. If she figures out Dad will come and see her, if she tattoos at the computer, you're in trouble. I won't get mad at her, I'll just be like, you know you're not supposed to be touching that, eh, bro? And she'll just have this big ass smile, laugh and run away. That's how she does it. Usually if she knows she's doing something naughty, like, this is something she does, so I'll share this with you. So usually, when we're all sitting in the lounge, she has a poo corner. So she'll go and sit between the couches and just sit there quiet as. She'll tell everyone to leave her alone. But now she's figured out a way that we think she's doing this, but she'll go hide in the kitchen. And then she'll go and get her a muesli bar and sit there and eat it when she's not supposed to. So I'm slowly catching on to her tricks. I was the same as a kid, drove my dad crazy. Do you ever sing on stream? Man, I've been singing all stream. Yeah, so I'm on to her tricks. So usually when she's quiet, it's either because she's doing number 2, or she's putting her hand in the cookie jar, if you will. Sneak level 1000, yeah, she's on that Skyrim peak level sneaking, brother. Agent 2 Severe, thank you very much for the subs, brother. You didn't have to. Back in my nappy years, the veggie garden was my spot. Yeah, I just told her, keep an eye on her please, I do not want to end the stream. So if we suddenly have a pitch black featuring Vin Diesel and the stream dies, yeah, it's her fault. If she does that, I'll probably eat her sandwiches in front of her. I had a poo corner as well, but it got me fired. I used to hide in the cupboard and eat all the peanut butter. Oh, Wolfgang, bro, I was the same too, bro. I was a peanut butter kid as well, like straight up. We all know their tricks because we've done the same stuff. Pretty much. So I'm going to show you what we've done. Mate, are you Hawaiian? No, brother, I'm not Hawaiian, brother. Matthias. Phew, that's a pretty hearty name. Agreed. Silence is very loud with kids. You know what's going to happen if the stream ends? I'm going to go, fuck! But I won't act on it. I'll grab the phone. See your guys' comments. Let me know what you guys think. His ears are done. All we have to do is clean here. Might do a bit of cleaning here in the mouth, on the sides here, and then we'll get our Bob Ross on. But I will be the Bob Ross of staining. And we gotta take off all the pencil marks too. What is that? Looks amazing. Iron moat. So this is what we call a wheku, brother. I'm a traditional Māori wood carver from New Zealand, and this is one of the main forms of art that my people had. And but with this piece in particular, it's what we call a wheku. So this part here, it's like a mask. Then on the top we have another variation. So it was a kind of a piece that was up there. We didn't want it to go to waste, so we made another face. So that's another variation here, known as a aruru or L. So the eyes should be a giveaway. So what we have to do once we've stained the whole thing is put abalone shell in and find someone who wants it. But like I said before, this is a wheku, so you'll normally find these particular carvings at the apex of our meeting houses because they are like the face of the ancestral meeting house. So like, hold on, the Icy Muffin and Lethal Muffins, oh, are you guys cousins? Thanks for the subs, guys, you didn't have to. So if you take a look at like the traditional structure of a house or meeting house, at the top we have the mask at the apex and we have the barge boards that come down either side. So they're what we call maihi, and at the top would sit a mask or carved statue. So there's the arms that come down, and at the ends we have ngā raparapa, which are the fingertips. And then from these 2 points here we have ngā amo, which stand up straight, which are these two carvings here. They can act as amo as well. So I'll just put one up. So they can act as an amo. So I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. So these would act as amo, so they would sit in front, and then you'd put your maihis on, then the mask at the top. So our meeting houses are all based off the human anatomy. So if you can imagine our ancestors standing like that, in the form of a meeting house, welcoming you into the meeting house. Loa, how many hours did you spend on it? Geez, I wouldn't have a clue. 3 times... I would say well over 25 hours. Well, we were just taking our time with this one, Loa. If I'd done this off stream, like if it was just me by myself, I could finish this in like 3 days. Guide for pricing. So something like this can sell for like 5,000. But so something I want to do with commission pieces, Loa, is make it affordable. So that's an example that just for Kickstarter, that's a mean example because you want to make it affordable. So I even do medium-sized pieces right down to small ones as well. Yeah, 5k draft joker for this. Yes, first did stream. Well, like your first one here. And then the columns on the front, aren't they ancestors? Yeah, so they're like a whole nother carving in itself with like ancestors that like descend from the main one. Or like descendants. Is it a special kind of wood? Ah, it's native timber, brother. And then, yeah, so that's the mask. And then, so I've had these 2 pine carvings. So yeah, the wood at the back is pine. For, geez, January, when I started my new job with Tamaki in Māori village. Then we got made redundant in the 4th week of our lockdown. Oh yeah, I'll grab this one. So this is an amo, but with this particular piece it was for a waharoa, which is a gateway, which is similar to a meeting house as well. So hopefully you can see it. So at the top we have like the face, so you have the head, the nose, the eye, the mouth. Can you guys see it? Is it all good? Let me know if you can see it, please.
So this is one of the first carvings I finished on stream. Oh, dare I say it, maybe the first traditional Māori wood carving finished on stream. I don't really like to claim that kind of stuff, but yeah. How can we see like 80%? Okay. Maybe if I pick the bag up. Yeah, we can try that. Hold on. I'll just put it back and I'll try and pick this thing up. So I'll try and pick the bag up. Hopefully it doesn't cut out. I don't really want it to. So I'm just gonna miss your guys' comments for a bit because I'm focusing on not disconnecting the camera. So there we have it. That's the top of the head. I'll just look back so I don't see any F's. Being carried by Brox. Yeah, so that's the face there. So we have the forehead at the top, the nose, the eye and the mouth. So you'll notice that the mouth doesn't have a bottom jaw. Particularly with me, that's one of the characteristics that I like to do, just no bottom jaw. But I have done a bottom jaw from time to time. So I'm just looking back at the camera again. So the design itself is called Taratara Ākai as well. And then moving on down, so you'll see that the carving has 3 fingers. So these 3 fingers represent birth, life and death. Sometimes they have a 4th finger, which can represent the afterlife. Should we try and do a bougie Instagram one, eh? So we start from the middle, and then we go boom. Is it all good? I'm just looking back at the chat. Susboy, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Yeah, so you can see the main thing that the main figure is holding is a pedal, or hoi as we call it in our language. H-O-E, hoi. Some people may try and meme that. So that, yeah, that's the main pedal. So what these pieces represent is the different aspects of our canoes. And the design on either side is called mata kupenga, which represents fishnets, like kupe's fishnet. And then, yeah, so at the bottom we have just another face, as you can see. Oh, and yeah, that's the design once again. So I'll pan up slow so you can see it. And the tree itself is not native, it's pine. It's an old coffee table that my previous employers were throwing out, so I took it off them and made it better. I'll tell you what I'll do since I'm carrying the camera around. I'll put our mask back in the vise and give you a bit of a closer look. Was that alright? Let me know, please. Haven't had a close-up for these in a while. Yeah. No, that's sort of cool recycling. Oh shit, I better put our rubbish up in there too. Te atauhau ki o tō mai whakaaro chief, kia pai te ahi leiras. Ngā mihi te piri mea, kia pai tō ahi o te matua. Tēnā koe. What's up, man? Love what you thanks, Flexer. Cheer, bud. Okay, yeah, so that was a close-up of those. So these were the first carvings I ever did on the stream. And you may see them in that clip. Yeah, that bloody clip. And yeah, so I'll give you a close-up of our current project. Let me just try and pick this bag up without disconnecting anything.
So there you can see our owl man. See, there's a few flakes I have to take out. Coming around the side. So you can probably see a few rough bits that I have to take care of, but those won't take long. You can see the arm. And coming down the design, see those ends there? I've got to butt those. As you can see, there's the design. So this design itself is called Hai Hai Pakati. Now the Hai Hais are the lines that you see. So Hai Hai means cutting or to cut, and Pakati are the notches you see within those lines. Yeah. And then coming down to the eyes, and then his snout, so I've got to clean in there. And those little annoying, that's just little 1%ers. Then the ears, so I put a PVA in there. Another ear over here, and then our teeth. Did a bit of an undermine as well that I need to clean up. But yeah, that's pretty much him. Looks all good, eh? What do you reckon? Let me know what you guys think. Geez, since I can do close-ups without it disconnecting, I might do it all the time. So yeah, that's just a little something. I think it's amazing. Thank you, brother. Oh shit, I'm like looking and he's like there. Something I will do tonight as well is do another test stream. Gonna see if we can stream some Fall Guys. Oh no, actually I won't because Thunder's on and I want to watch Thunder. Apologies guys, yeah. I always enjoy the Eisenach streams. Beautiful, brother. Oh, thank you, bro. Yeah, so that's pretty much this guy. What is Thunder? So Thunder Punch is a mod. He's one of my favourite artists that I love to watch. Owl's a big part of Māori culture. Yeah, so an owl is like a spiritual animal to us. A tipua, which is kind of like deity as well. So they're the guardians of the village. So traditionally, the owl was the guardian of the night, the nocturnal bird that watches over the village when they sleep. And then the guardians of the day are the women that nurture the next generation. My mum wants to follow you. Oh, I mean, if she enjoys it, why not? Yeah, so the most sacred people within the tribes were the women. I mean, why? Because they carry on the tribe. And without them, there will be no tribe carrying on. Very relaxing to sleep over. Please, oh, thanks. Silenus. Cheer, brother. Hope you're good. Okay, now we're wanting a few explanations. I don't think one negative thing has been said in your chat. I mean, someone said, geez, you know, I can't remember. Looks stoked. Thanks, brother. Yeah, looks so good. I'm that guy. I'm never satisfied, brother. Never, my bro. Never. Gives me Major Bob Ross vibes. You're a doo-doo head. Okay. That's pretty 5-year-old, but whatever. You like fishing, Brooks? Yeah, bro. I've recently, because of my partner, gotten into fishing. And I'm not the best at it, but it's something I really enjoy. So I might do a bit of this now. Just taiaha. Man, I miss fishing. Oh, true, yeah. I haven't been fishing in a while. If I don't get this finished before the weekend, I'll probably stay, but if I do, I'm going to go fishing. Blues or Crusaders? Probably the Blues. Yeah. But yeah, obviously Chiefs mana. Didn't have no mana this year, but oh well. In Spartan cultures, the only things that would grant you a headstone when you die is if either you die in battle or bear a child. True, brother. That's pretty neat. Would I do a stream of jade bones carving? I don't have the machine or the materials to do that. I mean, there are some bone and stone jade carvers out there. I've encouraged one to give it a go. Whether he does or not is another story. Seems like we need to go fishing. Bro, I would love to go fishing. Is it true that New Zealand has no truly native mammals as well? And was all birds? Yeah, pretty much was all birds, native birds. No native mammals, brother. They were all introduced. Pretty much every mammal in the country. Yeah, no. Now that you say that, yeah. Just particularly being bird life from the moa right to the hokioi, which is a giant eagle that used to eat the moa. And yeah, right down to our normal bird life that we have. I mean, if there's people that know of any mammals that were here that weren't introduced, that are native to this country, let me know. But from what I know, brother, yeah, there's none. Gibbo, bro, don't worry about your Twitch fine, brother. You can come watch for free. It's all good. Tuatara's a lizard, though. Fruit, oh yes, the fruit bat. Yeah, that's right. Oh, you're spot on. I do remember someone saying that now that you mention it. I gotta go in the nostril. Whisper what you did. What happened? Your name is on Wikipedia, is it? Take it off. I'm not that good. Might do a bit of rasping. I want to see you hit watermelon. Oh, we don't use these types of weapons for that stuff, bro. Oh, and on another note too, guys. Now, there has been an individual that has been harassing the whānau, or everyone that watches the stream, into trying to sub to me and give more subs. Now, if you are harassed by anyone that's trying to do that to you in terms of the stream, let me and the mods know, please, so we can deal to this person. And if they do this to you as well, report them. Don't ban them, report them first. It was brought to my attention last night by a viewer, I won't say who he is, that there's an individual doing this kind of thing, acting like he's my cousin, when I have no idea who this person is. Now, if they are doing this, let me know, and we'll call them out, because we have one person, we have their name, and if this carries on, we'll build this list up so we can see them, and we'll report their asses. Master, oh, you didn't have to sub, brother. Thank you though, brother. Yeah, everyone knows how I stand with subs, but just know that if there are individuals doing that, please screenshot their asses and send them to me or the mods, and report them as well. Just for kickstarting quotes for days. I'm actually Brox's cousin. Are you? I don't even know. I mean, we don't even talk. Check Magnet, Amatsu, the not cool one, and J Furry. Furry in the chat. Hey brothers, thanks for the subs. You didn't have to though. Yeah, because that's not on what people are doing. And everyone knows how I feel about subs. So let us know and we will deal to them. Name and shame. Oh, what's just up to? The rain sound is giving me so much cheer. Name and shame, yeah. I'm gonna name and shame all these people that are harassing everyone that watches the stream. I like you, Gumby. Sorry, brother. Should have had my device. Just being productive as usual. Can you do something like carving donos on something like carve names on a wood? Oh man, I'd have to have a big piece of wood, eh? Suzette, yeah, so sanding didn't come until sandpaper was introduced. The only time we ever use sandpaper is just for our weapons, just to make them look shiny. Rather be shiny. What's this quote stuff? Mrs. Brooks just texted me, she's saying she caught baby twice trying to jump on the PC. Yeah, quit, don't be an egg. Hang on guys, my mum just texted. My mama. Watch me travel like a sunken pirate wreck. Scrub the deck and make it look shiny. I will sparkle like a wealthy woman's neck. Just a sec, don't you know? Fisher don't, they choose anything that feed us. Why do people always ask how tall I am? I actually have no bloody idea. So baby. Is it cold over there? Oh, not anymore. Just looking at it, man, a lot of wood needs to come off this side here. To the brightest thing that glitters. Ooh, fish dinners. Cheers, shrimp. You have a good one, bro. I just love seafood. You look like seafood. Hey, good cheer, brother. Hope you're well too, man. What is up with these commands? There's so many of them. Did you get a message from Twitch staff? What's that for, Froggo? Well, what's the message from Twitch staff for? Where you from? Aotearoa. Oh, he's doing dad quotes. Headphones are better. No, I heard you got one yesterday. Oh, I can't remember. You heard I got one yesterday. Nice beard, dude. Oh, true, man. I don't really get it. Go to the... What is it? The barber. Almost called them a hairdresser. Steve District, thank you very much. I have the power. Holy shit. What's going on? Oh, there's someone raid. Not even. Did someone raid? Take this benefit. You didn't have to. You read your Twitch name. If you read your Twitch name as Zrohi, then a small fun fact, the word is also Greek for rain. Just like your piece. Oh, true Thundurian. Bro, that's pretty cool. And it's raining all the time on my stream too. Let me just screenshot that. I need that for a reference. Thanks for that, Thunder. Are you cool if I add you to my auto host? Hitoriki art. Up to you, man. Like, if it's what you want to do, I won't like persuade you yes or no. It's your channel. You do what you want on it. So is TV open the commissions? Yeah, pretty much once I finish this, commissions will be open. No brains, Dave. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. So make me native tittle to do. Oh, bro. So make me native tittle to do. This is a rasp. A file is a nail file, isn't it? Have you watched Moana? Yeah, bro, many times. I just love free food. You look like seafood, yeah.
check the angle. Oh, it's not bad. Oval tyre hires is something else, man. Bit of a spammer. Real classy food. What is the big carving behind you? Oh, that's a Hummel cover. Hey? What? Yeah. Yeah, just...
Now.
Huh?
Now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hang on. Dinner is being sorted. Are you making a weapon? Yeah, brother. It's a taiaha. Similar to a 3/4 staff. Okay. It's looking pretty good. What do you think about peppermint crisps? The chockies. Not gonna lie, Loa, I'm not really a fan of peppermint. Hey, the bearded one. Chew, brother. The big dog, eh? Okay, guys. I think that's gonna be us for today. Time for me to go chill with the fan bams. The universe has stared you into your soul and found your inner egg. You've been known forever as a dinosaur egg. What? Cheer, Loa, you have a good one. I'm just reading these, you know. Easter egg. Okay. Scrambled egg. The universe has stared into your soul and found your inner egg, which cracked egg. What the devil egg? What the hell's going on? Cheer, Maya. Ngā mihi for your time as well. Hello, Dempster. Oh, I'm just getting ready to finish up. I'm just reading these eggs. Oh, yeah. Should we play a bit of lab? We'll just talk for the last part of the stream and jam some lab. Your video shared up on YouTube, recommended for me from what I've seen. Oh, thanks Ecstasy XBL. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I mean if you want to have a little jam to some lab before we go, I don't know. Do you make everything out of wood? Except cars, undies, food. No, everything I do is woodcrafted, but you know what I cheer shop breed, no me though. I accept a welcoming hangi after becoming a native Turuturu after being called a rotten egg. Oh fuck.